Hi friends. This is Tech Brothers. We already made videos, with full review and unboxing, OnePlus 5. It is the most powerful smartphone on the market. Also, we tested performance, with AnTuTu and gaming. You can find these videos, in description. Another feature of OnePlus 5, is its camera. OnePlus 5 has a dual camera on the rear panel. One of the cameras uses 16-megapixel sensor, Sony IMX398, and f/1.7 aperture. It perfectly takes portrait and macro photos. The second camera on the back panel is designed for shooting distant subjects. It uses more simple 20-megapixel sensor, Sony IMX350, and f/2.6 aperture. The second camera on the back panel is designed for shooting distant subjects. On the front panel is 16-megapixel camera with sensor Sony IMX371 and aperture f/2.0. The camera application offers many different settings and modes. For example, Pro mode allows you to adjust some image settings. Also, you can use slow motion mode and portrait mode. By the way, OnePlus 5 has Auto HDR mode, so the dynamic range adjustment is usually good. As we have already said, the second sensor, on the rear panel, uses for optical zoom. Of course, this is much better than digital zoom. However, you might have heard about scandal that, in fact, camera uses a combination of optical and digital zoom. Maybe it is the reason why some photos with zoom get a little grainy. Daytime photos look amazing. They are sharp, detailed and saturated with flowers. Night photos, also good. Of course, they are not so quality, as in daytime, but you are unlikely to find higher quality night photos on smartphone for $500. 16 megapixel front camera also makes amazing daytime photos. At night, the quality is much lower. In addition, the front camera does not have a flash. The main camera OnePlus 5 can record 4K video. It is qualitative and well detailed. However, you should not record 4K video in motion. It is trembling because of the lack of OIS. .1080p video has a lower detail, but it is much less shaking. OnePlus 5 Gyroscope sensor to stabilize the footage. In general, we think that OnePlus 5 offers excellent cameras for $500. The quality of photos and videos is almost equal to the flagship devices on the market, such as Galaxy S8, and in some moments even better. Thanks for watching. Under the video, you can find source photo and video samples. Subscribe to our channel, Tech Brothers.